What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw and color Metal Sonic from Sonic the Hedgehog. Let's begin today's lesson by sketching a circle along the top of our page. Let's start right in the middle at the very top. Just going to lightly work our way around the circle towards the bottom. Just using these short lines and just readjusting the shape of our circle as we go. Just going all the way around the right side. Now from here we're going to add a guideline coming down the center of our page. Let's start from the top of our circle, right in the middle. Just going to pull this line down towards the bottom of our page. And we'll extend that up towards the top. And then we'll add another guideline going across the center of our circle from left to right. Add one more across the bottom of our circle. Now from here we're going to start adding some shape to the head. Let's start from the left side of our circle. Just going to go up a little bit higher in the middle towards the center line. Then this out and then back down on the right. From the side of the circle, just going to curve the cheeks going out towards the side. And we'll connect the ends with another curve coming down underneath the circle and then back up. Now you want to tuck the body in underneath the head. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a half oval, going all the way around towards the bottom and then back up. Now you want to turn the body over towards the left side. So let's start from the side of the body, sketch out a smaller oval, going all the way around. And then on the right side, add an even smaller oval. Let's go to the top right side of the body, sketch a small circle for the arm socket. And then from the center, angle the arm coming down and out towards the elbow. And then we'll add a small circle on the end. Let's bend the arm coming up towards the fist. Starting from the outside of the elbow, curve the arm going out and then up. Come up and in with a short line. Now I'm just going to block out the hand, with a straight line coming down and then straight out. Now you want to work our way down towards the bottom of the feet. From the center line, step over towards the left, angle this down and in towards that center line, towards the bottom. Just round out the bottom of the foot, going out towards the left. Now I want to continue this curve on the right side, going out towards the heel, and we'll connect the ends with a curve, going up towards the top of the foot, and then back down. Now I'm going to overlap the right leg on top of the left foot. Let's step over towards the right side, angle this down towards the bottom, going all the way down towards the bottom of the foot. Add a curve going across. And we'll connect the ends with a half circle, going up and then back down. Let's draw on the left arm. Starting from the top of the body, angle this down towards the elbow. Add a small circle on the end. Now from the center of the elbow, angle the arm going out and then down. Now we want to draw the basic shape of the hand. Starting from the outside of the wrist, come down and in toward the foot. Go up and in. And angle this back up towards the arm. Now from here we're going to move back up and add some detail to the head. From the bottom of our circle, let's step up. Just going to curve the eyebrow going out and up toward the side of our circle. And do the same thing on the right. From the outside of the brow, let's step in, curve the eye coming down, and then in toward the bottom of our circle. Now I'm going to place the muzzle on top of the head. From the center of the brow, let's step down, curve out, and then down toward the left and right side. And then from here, I'm just going to bend this back up toward the side of the eyes. Round out the end and just pull that in towards the bottom of the head. Let's add a small oval in the center for the nose. And I'll add two more ovals along the side. Now we tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. On the left side, draw a half circle, coming down and up. Do the same thing on the right. And I want to trace the eyes along the inside with a smaller half circle. Let's go all the way up to the top and add in the ears. From the side of our circle on the left side, angle this up and out. Line this up on the right. Now from the end, curve the ear coming down and back in towards the head. From the inside of the ear, draw a short angle line going up and in. Connect the outside to the inside with a slight curve. Now from here we want to add a second level of detail. Let's start by adding some thickness to the arms. Starting on the left side, so trace that line coming down on the outside and then the inside. We'll do the same thing on the right, coming in towards the elbow. Let's add some thickness to the legs. Stepping out, just following that line coming down towards the foot on both sides, and do the same thing on the right. Let's add a trim along the bottom of the right foot, so following that curve going across, step up and draw that twice. Now you want to separate the front and the back of the left foot. From the ankle, step out, curve in and down, and then on the right side, do the same thing. Let's add a circle along the bottom of the ankle, going all the way around, and we'll add a smaller one in the center. Let's add that trim along the bottom of the foot, just following that curve going across, and we'll do that twice. Now from the bottom of the body, we're going to step up and draw a straight line going across. Then from the shoulder, come down and pull that in. Now we're going to go halfway along the length of the left leg, starting on the inside, angle it up and out. Line up the top on the right, draw a straight line going across. Let's add in the shoulders. Start from the top of the body, draw a straight line going out, curve this down and back in towards the body. Let's go to the top of the right shoulder, going straight out, curve in and then back down. Now we're going to add some thickness to the forearms. Let's start from the top of the elbow, curve this out and up in behind the hand, and then from the left elbow, angle this down and in towards the hand. Now that we have our basic sketch, we're going to move to our Sharpie pen and start adding some details and refining our lines. Let's start with the brow. Starting from the center, just going to work our way across and then up towards the side, and do the same thing on the right. Let's continue tracing out our sketch and refining the lines. Now we're going in with a finer tip pen and adding those smaller details. Once we're done inking, we'll go back and erase those guidelines. Now that we have our clean drawing, let's add some color, starting with the yellows. I'm also adding a shadow across the top of the ears. I'm just going to add some blue highlights around the side of the head and across the bottom edge of the brow. And the top of the head. And we'll fill the rest of the body with this dark blue. Working our way around those highlights. And as we get closer to the end of our drawing, we'll add a little bit more shadow and detail, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Metal Sonic. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.